Hello student, today we are going to solve question number 3 from practice set 2.2. In this question, this diagram is given, and in this diagram this segment PS is a median and this segment PT is perpendicular to segment QR. So from these given points, here we have to prove PR square and PQ square is equal to these terms. See, in this question, PS is a median. If median is given, so we are directly using Apollonius theorem. But in Apollonius theorem, here we are considering this angle as a right angle. So side 1 square plus side 2 square. But it is not given in side 1 square plus side 2 square. So the answer of this question is, here we are using this PS median for this point. S is a midpoint. So here in this figure, segment PS is a median of this triangle, therefore S is a midpoint of segment QR. If it is midpoint, then you can say that this QS is congruent with SR. And if you compare these two segments with this whole base QR, then it is half of QR. This is equation number 1. Now let's move to our first proof. PR square. If you find out this PR in this triangle, so PR is a segment of this obtuse angle PSR. So in this obtuse angle PSR, this angle S, angle PSR is an obtuse angle, and by using Pythagoras, application of Pythagoras theorem, here is the first step. In this obtuse triangle, angle S is obtuse angle. By using application of right angle triangle, let's apply it. Hypotenuse square, that is PR square, is equal to side 1. Side 1 is PS square. Side 2, here I am using SR square. It is obtuse angle, therefore use here plus sign. 2 into base is SR, into distance from this obtuse angle to perpendicular, that is ST. So here I am just changing this SR value by QR by 2 from equation 1. So here I am just making change here, QR by 2. Here you can simplify it. Now I am just exchanging this second and third step. So PS square is equal to QR into ST, these remaining terms, plus QR by 2 bracket square. So this is our first proof is proved. Now let's move for second proof. In this second statement, PQ square. So this PQ is a segment of this acute angle triangle PSQ. So this PQ is opposite to this angle S. So now again we are considering this angle S as a right angle. So these are the two statements. In acute angle triangle, here I am using angle PSQ because this PQ is opposite to point S. So this angle S as a acute angle by using application of right angle triangle theorem. Hypotenuse square, PQ square is equal to side 1 square into side 2 is here QS square. Now it is acute angle, use your negative sign, into base QS into distance ST, distance from this angle to perpendicular. So again I am changing this SQ as QR by 2 from equation 1. So after substitution you will get this step. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and remaining terms I am just again exchanging this second and third term. So PS square minus QS into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. So this is our second statement is proved.